When you arrive at the Advanced Hair Restoration Office, you meet personally with Dr. Hirsch. He discusses the entire procedure in depth and answers any concerns you may have. You'll discover that you are truly special. As one example, on the day of surgery, you are the only patient of the day. Today's hair transplanting is skillfully accomplished by using follicular unit grafting. The technique involves taking hair from the back and sides of the scalp and transplanting it to the balding areas. This is considered permanent hair that will last forever because the hair follicles are genetically immune to DHT, the hormone that causes hair loss. The hair removal from these donor areas is skillfully done so that the donor areas remain vital and full of hair. After removal, the donor hair is prepared as hair grafts to be implanted. A variety of follicular units are created and then used in specific areas to create a natural look and hairline. Each individual's hairline is unique, and Dr. Hirsch works to recreate the patient's natural look. Dr. Hirsch feels that after a hair transplant, the only people who should know you've had the procedure are you and Dr. Hirsch. He feels good is not good enough. The finished look must not be detectable under any circumstances. What about recovery from hair transplant surgery? It's a very short process. The healing begins quickly. No bandages are used, and the only patient requirement is to relax and take it easy on the first night after surgery. You can continue work the very next day with little or no evidence that you've had a surgical procedure the previous day. Swim, play sports, let your hair blow in the wind. It doesn't matter. It's your own natural hair, and it's permanently in place. The Hirsch artistry makes the difference. Dr. Hirsch and his staff have a combined 20 years of experience in the hair transplantation field. The result is the performance of cosmetic artistry at its very best. Continued patient satisfaction is a glowing tribute to the personalized attention he provides to each of his patients. The cost of hair restoration is often a concern for people seeking an answer to their hair loss problem. When considering the overall cost during your lifetime, hair transplantation is the most affordable option. The initial cost of hair pieces, chemical solutions, and other less than satisfying ways to regenerate or cover the problem hair area is only the beginning. Hair systems or wigs need to be maintained frequently and then replaced every few years, and chemical solutions become a continuing investment. Once implanted, your own hair is in place for life, and should the progression of your hereditary balding pattern continue, a second procedure hair transplant can easily solve the problem. It's easy to find out if hair restoration is the answer to your problem. Simply call the number on your screen and make a no-obligation appointment to consult with Dr. Hirsch. Your personal consultation will disclose whether you are a candidate for hair restoration and answer all of your questions and concerns, including cost.
Our charges are typically less than half of what you would pay to one of the national hair restoration centers. We don't have the cost of national advertising, and we don't pay consultants to sell our services.
And with the national clinics, you're never sure who your doctor will be. Remember, at the Advanced Hair Restoration Clinic, you have the undivided attention of Dr. Hirsch and the confidence you feel from his experienced care. Remember, Dr. Hirsch restores your hair with your own hair, and the process is virtually pain-free. Age is not a factor. The clinic has helped patients as old as 85 years of age. Call the Advanced Hair Restoration Clinic now for your complimentary private consultation. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. Make the concerns of your life due to hair loss a thing of the past. Call now. Dr. Hirsch looks forward to speaking with you.